the lower house, there is hope that a reconciled version of the RH bill will soon be ratified by both chambers of Congress. With the contentious bill finally resolved, it's time for the House leaders and members to relax. Here's Fred Yabando.
A day after the reproductive health bill was approved on third reading, it was time to take it easy for the leadership and the members of the House. The protracted battle that has taken 14 long years is finally over. The Bicameral Conference Committee is now in the process of harmonizing contending provisions from the House and Senate versions. Hopefully, both houses will ratify the final version of the bill by tomorrow before their Christmas break. It was a tough run for the leadership of the House, but it was worth the test and triumph for the best interest of the people.
The House leadership itself believes that its own role is to see that it gets to this point and that it passes because in the sense na it's also one of our priorities. Pero yung babastunin mo yung mga members who did not vote, that's outside of the purview of the House naman, House leadership.
To tell in my sa buong karanasan ko rito, majority leader, talagang ito lang ang masasabi kong mahirap, kaya pinaka-satisfying din naman na panukalang batas na naipasa na on third reading.
The approval of the bill is a major political victory for President Aquino. Two presidents failed during their terms. So what happens to the resistance of the Catholic Church? The final option is to challenge the bill if signed into law before the Supreme Court.
I think that is welcome. I think if I were in their shoes, having lost the battle here and in the Senate, where is the next one? This is the Supreme Court. They're of course free to do that.
Unang-una pa lang, kung hindi maninindigan ang ating Pangulo rito, yan ang mangyayari sa RH. And I was proven correct nung sa bandang huli ay noong nakita na sa Presidente mismo ay seryoso rito sa panukalang batas ito. Everything else ay nangyari dahil sa kanya.
Malaki talaga yung factor yung factor ng presidency. I think he was courageous enough to say let's bring this to a debate. He was courageous enough to say okay, ang boto ko pag ako ay kongresista ganito for the RH, I leave it up to your conscience, but let's vote on it. At sa tingin ko rin, yung frankness ng President was something that connected with the country.
The reproductive health bill is expected to promote responsible parenthood. Information and education will provide what's best on how the size of families will be managed. Condoms and contraceptives will be key elements of the program. Hopefully, it is a step in the right direction in reducing the level of poverty in the Philippines.
What is important is in its implementation. So the various agencies, and particularly the DOH, should make sure that the law is fully implemented. And Congress should, I think, create an oversight committee to make sure that the bill is properly implemented.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.